I am offering the Money Mastery Intensive, and I'm offering that on April the 11th through the 13th. And it is 3 days and it is 3 hours each day. So you're getting your hands dirty and you're going to be there. You're getting a return on investment. You're investing. And during that time together, I am literally teaching you hand over hand what I do to create my business, to create the life that I have, to get clients. And the outcome is that you will have clarity, which is always important. But moreover, you will make money while you're there. And one of the things that I would really love everybody that shows up there to have in their heart the challenge that all of us would be on, because not because we could get the money, that would be fine, but because of how it's going to change our perspective, is to be on a challenge to make $1 million in 90 days. So that's the idea. So the Money Mastery Intensive, and there's so many bonuses because I want to reward people that make decisions and lead themselves. And I also know that money loves speed. And if you invest and you act on something, you get returns fast, always. So if this is speaking to you, if this feels right, go do it, go check it out, go sign up. So that's going to be April the 11th through the 13th.